Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony brand TV projector and you find that it's not bright enough and you're wondering how to make it brighter. So we can actually do that. We can set the brightness on this projector real easily. What we're going to do is we're going to come over here to our remote and we're going to hit the menu button. And you'll see right from the menu button, it's going to open this menu here, and depending on what your settings are, it might be in the bottom right, top left. Here it's in the bottom left. You'll see right here, we'll get this menu, and right here in the opening menu, we can go over and we can adjust the brightness. So we're going to scroll to the right to get over to the menu on the right, scroll down to brightness, and then from there, we're going to click to the right, and then we can just, and you'll see that I'm moving it, the brightness way up, and back down. So anyways, and then once we're done, to set it, as you can see here, to set it, you're just going to hit this center button here, and you're back to your menu, and then to get out of your menu, you just hit the menu button, and you're done. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.